Hello, today I unboxing package from Victoria's Secret. I've got few things, but they split order, so few things will come in different package, and this one is just first package from the order. Few items, I think 3. One is for free, which is this big bag, beach bag. So let's see. It came in this thing. This big black bag is always lately Victoria's Secret sending them in this big black bag. So first item is this one. I missed Victoria's Secret stuff, and they were not having many promotions or many free stuff, so I didn't do shopping there, but lately they did. So I've got these few things because we have a sale on accessories, and when you buy few things from them, you get the free bag. So I've got backpack. This is Victoria's Secret accessory backpack, which is in this nice pink color, and it looks like this. It's kind of small. I thought it would be bigger. Originally 58, but I've got them for 23, I think. Let's see. So it has those nice straps, long ones, and pink. It looks like this. Nice. And at the end they have this. How doesn't this integrate? Because it's nice quality. Here we have this nice trim. Here is nice thick chain, which looks nice, like in mica course bags. And it has also here a chain connected with some fabric, with this fabric, which is fine, but I would prefer just chain. And when you open here, you have pocket. Wow, cute. You can put here something like keys or something. Very cute. And then you have another main compartment, which opens here. Paper. And here paper. And here inside it has elegant lining, black and elegant, with Victoria's Secret logo, and inside it has one slip pocket where you can put some wallet or something. Yeah, so really nice small backpack for summer. Yeah. Really nice. And it has studs here. Really cute. So yeah. The zipper in this backpack is a little annoying. When you open it, it's easy, but when you close it, it doesn't go smoothly unless you use a different angle. Maybe now it's easier. And it has here nice ending. Elegant. Another item from Victoria's Secret is a wallet. Original price $30, but I got it on sale for $13. Let's open it. Now it comes in box like this. Wow! Really nice. It matches this thing. Match my backpack. This is really nice wallet. It's nice and sturdy. Made from nice pebbled fake leather like this. It has Victoria's Secret here and studding, so it will match perfectly my new backpack. And inside it looks like this. It has a zipper pocket where you can put coins or cards, maybe coins or receipts. And then it has compartment here. This compartment is for the iPhone or any phone. Let's check. This phone is iPhone 6 Plus. Yeah, it fits perfect, as you can see. And also it has another compartment here. And it has this kind of thingy, which is like a wrist for wrist. And then it has here, it has the thingy for your ID and for a few cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. And then also it has compartment here and here inside. Yeah, really nice. I like it. So when you need to go somewhere without big wallet or without pocketbook, you can take this thing and you fit your phone and cards, receipts. Really nice. And it also closes on this. This thingy here. Yeah, really nice. It reminds me of Chanel style because it has nice similar design. It's just not from real leather and it's different brand. And it's a little different, of course. This I don't know if to keep, maybe yeah. On one of this order I bought 3 items, which is this bag. Let's open it. Canvas bag, which looks like let's see, canvas bag. Wow, really nice. Oh, it has nice here, nice pocket, and it has here nice stuff, so it's a big one. Let's see how it looks inside. Has 2 handles, which looks like this. Nice and thick, this part. and then this part looks like some chain mixed with the strap, and it's really nice, reminding of channel design. And here it's like this, and it has a lining inside, but it doesn't have any pocket, so not even pocket for phone, just simple big tote bag for beach maybe, with nice straps like this. Nice. This is really nice. I like it. And the straps. So this is Victoria's Secret, and this is from this kind of Sherpa kind of velvet. And inside is just this. You can put phone here, like so. And a water bottle actually, so that's cool. And yeah, and you can carry here many stuff, because it's really spacious. And this will be very convenient because this part is flat, so it will not dig into your shoulders. Yeah, very nice. I like this material. I have also another Victoria's Secret bag from similar material and with zipper, I think, and it's good for beach. I use it for beach. So yeah, I recommend this tote because it's good quality. It's now going on promotion. So yeah, that's it for today, Victoria's Secret unboxing. If you like such videos, thumbs up, so I know when I get more excited and I will be having more reasons to buy more stuff at Victoria's Secret and film that stuff, film hauls. And in next order I will get a wallet and some pouch for cosmetics, and also in another package I ordered bike shorts, so still waiting for shipping. So if you want to see next house, then subscribe and thumbs up. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.